My name is Priscillia Winata. You can call me Priscil, Cecil, or Chicha. So I'm gonna tell you guys about my unforgettable moment. This is my unforgettable moment. So when I was around 3 or 2 years old, I was a curious child in anything. Very curious about cotton bud or ear cleaner. And because of my great curiosity, I immediately took a cotton bud and started inserting it into my right ears in here. I was doing exactly what my parents did when they cleaned their ears. Because I inserted it too deep, the cotton bud pierced my right eardrum and got stuck inside my ear. I still remember my mother's panic face and the blood that kept coming out of my ear. I was immediately taken to the hospital and the doctor told my mother that my eardrum was torn and my right ears would not be able to hear normally. Until now, I can only hear through my left ear. I'm still able to hear clearly, but not as sharp as my friend's hearing. So that was my unforgettable moment. Thank you.